Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a dark and aesthetic Instagram Reels or TikToks, and this is for free. You can just only use CapCut and you can get this free filter. So you need to import your video to CapCut and then just click on the adjust and then lower the brightness of your video into -30. Then for the contrast, add it a little bit to 10. Then saturation -10, and then exposure -30. Then click on sharpen and increase it into 40. Okay, and then click on the adjust cell and then lower all color saturations into -25. Okay, so do this for all of the color. And then after that you can just go back and then go to grabs and do it like this on the white color. So lower it a bit. Okay, go back and then click on the highlight and lower it into -20. Click on the temp and increase it to 10. Then you are done with the dark aesthetic filter. You can upload it, you can export this video first, then upload it to Instagrams or TikTok. Okay, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Bye.